Hi everyone, with me today I have this 9-speed hand mixer that absolutely blew me away. Everything from its features to the way it works, it's really incredible. So let's talk about all its features. So first off, you have a couple attachments here, 5 to be exact, including a whisk, the dough hooks, and the flat beaters. And then you also have a storage space where you put all of these things inside and you clip this right on top, making it super easy to make sure you don't lose any of the attachments. You're also going to get the instruction manual, of course, which I definitely recommend taking a look at before you use it, but this device is so intuitive and so easy to use. So watch this. You have the little screen right here, and that is where you're going to see your speed. This is a 9-speed hand mixer, so you can only go up to speed 9. For example, you click on plus right here, and as you can see, it's going through all of the different speeds, and you can do the same to lower the speed. As you can see, it doesn't go past 9, and it doesn't go past 0, of course. You also have a button for turbo. This is kind of like a pulsating mode, as you would see it like in a blender. Watch this. As I click it, it turns on. As I let go, it turns off. So it's just like a pulsating mode, super easy to use as well. And after you choose the speed, you can go ahead and click on start to turn it on and stop to stop it, of course. And I really love how easy it is for the eject button to be used. For example, you just put in a dough hook like this, and whenever you're ready to eject, just press the button and it comes right out super quick and easy. I'm absolutely amazed by this. They have so many colors and I think it looks so gorgeous in my kitchen, so check this out on Amazon. It's definitely a must-have for me.